With the help of some of our industry partners, we are preparing this car to debut at Lime Rock Park. Right now, Tyler is behind us installing some IAG parts on the vehicle. We also have parts from GFB, aka Go Fast Bits, and XComp Tires to make sure that this car can perform at its best on the track. Why are we debuting this vehicle at Lime Rock? Well, it's the next event in the Grid Life series that we're familiar with. And as of filming this video, we have about not much time left to get this car ready for track. In addition to our Pro 2-Ways, this vehicle is equipped with a number of prototype products that we're currently doing durability testing on. We'll release more information about those soon. With the help of our friends at Professional Awesome, we've also outfitted this vehicle with an AIM Evo 5 and some linear potentiometers or shock pots. These will allow us to capture data directly from the car's suspension in conjunction with other data from the car's ECU that the AIM captures, with data about throttle position, brake pressure, yaw rate, and a lot of other data from the car about its performance characteristics. We will be able to precisely tune our dampers to your needs and ours. This data will allow us to carefully calibrate the shocks to any specific chassis and spring rate and ensure that their performance is exactly what we intend it to be.